good morning, all of you. No one is there, I know, but people will come, students will come, and later on they will see. Okay, so now I am teaching angles and lines and angles from class 9. Okay, today will be the last day. Okay, previously there were so many problems, but now we have very less number of problems because due to as per the CBSE, because due to the corona there was a disturbance. That is why they have reduced the syllabus. Whatever problems are there in NCERT book are very few, very less, and concepts also decreased. So now I have only 4 problems to teach. So after that, over, right? So this practice is not sufficient, my dear children. You have to have an extra practice, right? Extra practice is to be needed. Anyhow, that I am going to give you. And before I start, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, right? It is completely free. How a maths teacher teaches in the class, in the same way I am teaching here, and I am going to explain MCQs, because MCQs in the school they will take less number of time, and I am going to do MCQs in the coming lessons, in the coming videos. Okay, now let me go to my lesson. So now I am doing last exercise, 6.2 exercise. 6.2. First problem yesterday I have done it, and now I am going to do exercise 6.2. Yesterday in my previous class I have done first question. Now I will do second question. Okay, so second question, figure is already given. I will start writing the information in the given tab. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, and EF is perpendicular to CD. This is given in the textbook, and angle GED. After writing this, I am going to draw the diagram 126 degrees, and find. I will write RT find, required to find. So angle AGE is needed, and angle GF is needed, GEF, and angle PGE is also needed. So I will write this as X, and I will write this as Y, and this as Z. So now I have to find out X, Y, Z, or AGE, angle AGE, angle GF, angle PGE from the diagram. Now let me draw the diagram. AB is there. This is AB, and this is CD, and there is a perpendicular PE is perpendicular, and from here there is one more line. So let me name it. So many students, they don't show interest on labeling. Labeling is very important. AB is one line, and which is parallel to CD. Okay, a nice diagram will give you a nice feel. And this is perpendicular. EF is perpendicular, E is down, and F is up. EF is perpendicular, and GE is some line. Okay, GE is some line. So now angle GED this entire angle, I will use red pen so that you will easily understand. This entire angle is 126 degrees. Okay, so GED, and I have to find out x, y and z. I will use a green color. So x, AGE, this is AGE, this is, say, I will write x, GEF, I will write this as a y, and PGE, where is P? I am sorry, this is not P and this is FGE. This is not PGE, FGE. So now, where is FGE? GE, and this is Z. Now, when you are looking at the figure, x and y, x plus z is 180 degrees, linear pair, x and z together 180. Okay, so now this y plus 90 degrees is 126. Let us start from y. Okay, GED, angle GED is equal to 126 given. So that means this is y plus 90 degrees, because this angle is 90 degrees. Y plus 90 degrees is equal to 126 degrees, and y is equal to 126 degrees minus 90 degrees. So 6 and 3. Y is equal to 36 degrees. Okay, I got y. Now you can apply so many theorems in this. Say this is 90 degrees because it is a perpendicular. So z plus y is equal to z plus y plus 90 degrees is equal to 180. Sum of three angles of a triangle. So in this z we already got 36. Okay, and 90 degrees. This is one way. Another way also I am going to tell you. So z is equal to 180 minus 126, which is equal to 454 degrees. This 126 plus z is equal to 180 degrees because they are co-interior angles. Z and 120 degrees are co-interior angles on the same side. That is also 180 degrees. You can have like that also. You can have like this also. Whatever concept it comes to your mind, correct concept, you can use it. Okay. Now I got z is equal to 54 degrees. Now I have to get x only. X plus z is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. Linear pair axiom. So now already z I got 54 degrees. So 180. So therefore x is equal to 180 minus 54, which is equal to 6, 2 and 126 degrees. Okay. So you can do this directly also. This x is equal to 126. They are alternate interior angles because AG is parallel to CD. You can directly write x because x is alternate to 126. If you consider GE as transversal, x is equal to 126. Okay, that also you can write it. So directly you will be getting x. After that z you are going to get, and z plus 126 is equal to 180. So z you will be getting, and from that you will be getting y. So you can use in any method, because I told you you try to do this problem in a different method. Let me go to another question. Question number 3. Question number 3, exercise 6.2. Figure is given. PQ is, I'll write the things in the given. Okay. PQ is parallel to ST. PQ is parallel to ST, and angle PQR is equal to 110 degrees, and angle RST is equal to 130 degrees. Find here also RTF. Find angle QRS. QRS. This I will write X. That means I have to find out X. RTF means required to find out. Now I will draw the figure. This is one line PQ, and one line went like this. And again one more line went like this, and from here one line went like this. So now I will label and I will indicate which line is parallel. So this is PQ. PQ is parallel to ST. This is S and this is T. So both are parallel lines. I will indicate parallel symbol like this. This is the parallel symbol, so that you will understand. You can extend also. Okay, I will extend it. So you can extend like this. You can extend ST also to this side. Your wish. Okay, you wish. It is needed, you can extend it. So that what happened, you will understand the parallels, transversals easily. So red color ones are extensions. Okay. So now I will put the PQR, angle PQR. Where is R? R is down. This is R. Okay. Angle PQR is 110 degrees. Okay. This angle is given, and angle RST is equal to 130 degrees. And we have to find out QRS. So this X you have to find out. Okay. Now there are two parallel lines. Using that concept you can find out. Okay. There are two parallel lines, right? So you can do in n number of times, n number of ways. You can have one more parallel line. You can have in the textbook he has given one parallel line. He is asked to do like this. Okay, one more parallel line. Draw a line parallel to ST through R. Without this also you can do it. Okay, without this also you can do it. So now three parallel lines are there as per the textbook. So I will just put it. This is 130 degrees and this is also 130 degrees. Corresponding angles 130 degrees. So corresponding angles, and this will be equal to 50 degrees because these two lines are parallel. So 130, 50 makes 180 degrees. Okay, and our ultimate target is to find out X. Okay, and this will be 50 degrees. And this will be 70 degrees. Now 70 plus 50 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So 70 plus 50, 120 degrees, and x is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So now explanation, the strategy is over. Now you have to do the problems. So for that, what I will do, I will put I will rub these things, okay, because you have to write the stepwise now. Okay, I will put the numbers. I will put the numbers here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So now I will put angle 1 is equal to 130 degrees, so that I can do stepwise corresponding angles. You have to write the parallel lines also. Okay. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees, co-interior angles, parallel lines. Okay. So therefore angle 2 is equal to 50 degrees. In the same way, angle 3 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair axiom. So if you write the steps, it will be easy. 1, 2, 3 bolke. Okay. So then what happened? Angle 3 is equal to how much? 1 is 130, angle 3 is equal to 50 degrees. So then angle 4 plus angle 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair axiom. So therefore angle 4 is equal to 70 degrees. Now angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle x is equal to 180 degrees, sum of 3 angles, sum of 3 angles of a triangle. So 3 is how much? 50 degrees, and 4 is how much? 70 degrees, and x is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degrees. So that implies angle QRS is equal to 60 degrees. Shima Enterprises, thank you. So this is how you can do it. I request you to do the same question in different ways also. Okay, without the downline also you can do it. Okay, without downline also you can do it. 2 we don't need it, directly we can go to 3. Okay, so without writing a parallel line through R is not needed. Okay, so this is question number 3. Let me go to question number 4. Question number 4. See Shima Enterprises. Can you tell me where are you from? My fan, big fan. Where are you from? Okay. Question number 4. Here in this also he has given a diagram. Let me write given AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, and angle APQ is equal to 50 degrees, and angle PRD is equal to 127 degrees. And find here also RTF required to find x and y. He has given directly x and y. So now let me draw the diagram. So here triangle looking like a triangle, PQR is a triangle, but he has given in a different way. I will do in the same way. So now AB is a line parallel to CD. CD is one more line. Okay, CD is one more line. Clear नहीं दिख रहा है. You increase the zoom in करो, zoom out करो, दिखता है. नहीं तो ऐसा slant रखो, horizontal रखो, आपको अच्छा सा दिखेंगे. So let me label it AB and A. This is A and B. AB is parallel to CD, C and D. So AB is parallel to CD. Okay, and then PQ. Let me draw PQ is one line and PR is one more line. So making a triangle here. So P, Q and R. Okay, now let me indicate this angle is 50 degrees, angle APQ, and we have to find out PRD. PRD, this angle is 127 degrees, and X, this angle is X, and sorry, not X, Y, and this angle is X. You have to be very careful when you are copying the problem. Okay, so X plus Y, our target is to find out directly X and Y. So X, I think X and 50 are alternate interior angles. So directly I will write solution. No need to think large. X is equal to 50 degrees. They are alternate, I will write alternate interior angles. And you have to indicate the lines also. AB is parallel to CD. So now we have got X, right? So now X plus Y is equal to 127. How? This is exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. That means exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So now 50 plus Y is equal to 120. You can do in the other way also. I told you now you can have. So 127 minus 50, 77. So Y is equal to 77. Therefore, X is equal to 50 degrees and Y is equal to 77 degrees. So fourth question is over. Now I am left with only one question, and very important question. Very important question. That question also I will complete it right now. Okay. So now let me go to fifth question, a mirror question. In this some science is also involved. So now PQ and RS are two mirrors. I will write in the given first. I will read out the problem and I will write the information in the given. PQ or RS are two mirrors. So PQ is, and they are parallel to each other. PQ is parallel to RS. I am not writing mirrors and etc. Okay, PQ is parallel to RS. An incident ray, AB is incident ray. Okay, and reflected ray and etc. Prove that RTP. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. I am not writing anything in the given. Okay. Now parallel line. I'll draw one parallel line. PQ is there on the top mirror, and this this is one more mirror. They are facing each other. So let me label it. You have to be very careful because you will be very busy in doing the problems, completing the problems. You will forget. Don't forget. Do slowly, one by one, one by one. So RS. So now I will put it, indicate also dots. I will put it. This is a mirror, and this is also mirror. So reflecting faces are facing each other. Now here you have to apply signs. So one ray is coming. One ray. So this is one ray falling here on PQ mirror. Okay. After falling, this ray will get reflected, and it will fall on the other opposite mirror. So let me complete till here. So here what happened? One ray, it is traveling like this. Okay, this is A, A, and this is B. So B is point of incidence, and from B it is traveling like this. Now here you have to apply a law. You draw a perpendicular line. This is called a normal. Here angle of incidence is equal to Yogiraj Purohit, please doubt bolo. I am looking at you. Give me your doubt. Write your doubt so that I can explain you. So here angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So here I will write x, and here I will write y. X is equal to y. I will go directly prove also. X is equal to y. I will do it in very simple. So then x is equal to y because loss of reflection. Loss of reflection. In the loss of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to x is angle of incidence, y is angle of reflection. These two angles are equal. So now you have to remember, right? And remember that this is a BQ. Let us say this is BT. BT is perpendicular to PQ. Normal is always perpendicular. Now let us go to the second mirror. After second mirror, A to B, the angle y will multiply or not, because I am doing the angle x and the angle y will multiply or not. They won't multiply. X and y are equal angles. Why should we multiply? Total angle is x plus y. Okay. They are angle of incidence, incidence and angle of reflection. In the light, angle of reflection, it is a law of reflection. So we should not multiply. You just wait. Anyhow, you do along with me. Now let me go to the another mirror. From this mirror again it is reflecting back. When a ray starts, now it reflects. So then what happens here? This is C and this is D. Okay. So now it is moving like this. So here also you have to draw the same, a perpendicular normal you have to do, because normal you have to do. Okay. And then here also let us say this is A, I write small a, and here small b, and A is equal to B. Same loss of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So now this is CTU, PQRSTU. Now BT is perpendicular, CU is perpendicular. So BT is perpendicular to PQ and CU is perpendicular to RS. Therefore, and PQ is parallel to RS. Therefore, BT is also parallel to CU. So you have to understand this. Perpendiculars to the parallel lines are always parallel. Now here BT and CU are perpendicular lines to the parallel lines. So they are parallel. If they are parallel, what happens? BC will become a transversal. BC will become a this will become a transversal. If BT is parallel to CU and BC will become a transversal, therefore A is equal to Y, because A and Y are alternate interior angles So A is equal to Y. So this concept is very, very important, right? One is loss of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, reflection. The other one is normals are perpendicular to the parallel lines. So you have to remember, perpendiculars to the parallel lines are always parallel. You draw n number of perpendiculars to the parallel lines and all those n perpendiculars are parallel. So because they are parallel and A and Y are equal. So A and Y are equal. So let us multiply A plus A, because A and Y are equal now. So you remember this, A is equal to Y. Now let us do x plus y is equal to, we have to prove x plus y is equal to A plus B, because ultimately what you have to prove? You have to prove AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, then what happened? These are becoming alternate interior angles. I have given a green color, please all of you see. If these green colors are equal, these green colors, that means x plus y is equal to A plus B, then AB is parallel to CD. When you want to prove any two lines parallel, you have to consider any three properties: corresponding angles equal, alternate angles are equal, or co-interior angles are supplementary. Any one of these things you can take and prove it. Now in this case, alternate interior angles I will take. So that means x plus y is alternate to A plus B. If I prove x plus y is equal to A plus B, then AB is parallel to CD. I will try. So here what I will do, A plus A is equal to Y plus Y. I will write like this. You can write. So now in the place of A, 1A, I will write B, because A is equal to B, no? So A plus B. In the place of 1Y, I will write X, because X is equal to Y. So now A plus B is equal to X plus Y. That means angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. That means alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. This is how you have to do. So with this, you repeat this video and see again. Okay, now the same problem you can do पैरेलल लाइन ऐसा है ना, अभी उसको ऐसा खड़ा करके भी कर सकते, खड़ा करके भी कर सकते. अभी दो मिरर्स पैरेलल है ना, उसको परपेंडिकुलर भी करो. यू मेक इट both the mirrors are perpendicular, do the same concept. Okay, I hope you have got, I have completed lines and angles. I will be going to another chapter from tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends. If you want to connect with me, if you want to clear your doubts with me, download a Dear Teacher app, and from that app I am going to help you. Bye bye.